Hi there, Peter from nicheexperiments.com here. Today we're going to talk about how you can get a site looking like this, which is just a basic theme that came with the plugin we're going to talk about, to a populated site in a very quick time. You can see that I've just added a logo, and that was very easy. I'm just using paint.net, which is one of the products we recommend. But yeah, with this site we're going to see if we can expand this in a little over 8 minutes and get you a site that can sell. So first of all, let's go to the plugins. You can see some plugins here that the Hello Dolly and the Askomet at the top already installed by default. We've also got Contact Form 7, which we'll use later. But we have installed all-in-one SEO pack, which I'll show you in a bit, and the plugin that we're talking about today, which is WPzon Builder, which is a great Amazon site, and this is the thing that's going to do all the work to get our site up and running. So first of all, let's integrate the all-in-one SEO pack with the WPzon Builder plugin, and that's pretty easy. You just go to the settings page and then just click integrate with all-in-one SEO pack, and then save changes. Once those changes are saved, we are going to want to start using the plugin. So if we go down to add to queue, then we can have a look at how we can upload some of the products from Amazon onto our site. Here are the categories Amazon have, but we know what we're looking for. We're looking for Orbit Baby Stroller at the moment. So if we just type that in, and then we go to Get Products, it will come up with loads of suggestions that we can use. Just literally at a click of a button, we can click them and add them to the queue. And then at the top you'll see them come up, but I'm not going to choose that at the moment, so we'll take them away. We've got ASIN numbers here, which I've gone and manually selected 7 of the products I wanted, so we can just copy and paste those in, and it will bring up those. It will go to Amazon and bring up those products for us. If you want to know how to get an ASIN number, just go to the product, scroll down to the product details, and that's your ASIN number there, and you just copy the bit after the semicolon. So going back to the plugin page, you can see that it's all uploaded there, so we just need to post products now. So if we go to post products, and there are a few options here. You can either choose a category at the top. We've only got one category at the moment. You can either get Amazon to create the product or manufacturer brand category for you. You can add tags to the post as well if you want to for SEO. We're not going to right now. And you can choose when to publish the things. We're going to do 2 weeks behind till now. You can choose which user to post as, and we're just going to take those off because I don't want any spam. Yep. If you click publish, you can create pages, not posts, but we're going to have posts today, and you can prevent duplicate content if you've added loads on there and you don't know if some of them are duplicate. We haven't, because we've used ASIN numbers, so we're just going to go straight to the post products page, and that should start loading up there. So if you click to post now, you can see they're all loaded up into the post section. And if you click on one of these posts, so if we go to this one, and if you scroll down all the way to the bottom, you'll be able to see that the all-in-one SEO pack has got the description and the title, so that will help with your SEO as well. So now if we go to the baby stroller reviews, it's gone bland now, but if we quick refresh, already after that tiny bit of work, we've got a site populated with 7 pages, and it's looking quite good now. There's still a bit to do. If we click on one of them now, you can see that it's got the product description, all the details, and any customer reviews if there are any. And you can see, although if you go to Amazon, you can see if you go to the top of the page, they have this little picture bar at the bottom, which would look good on this site, which we can do quite easily. If we just go back to the WPzon settings, click General Settings, and then the first page that comes up with the template, just click Enable jQuery Fancy Box, and then if we go down to Save and head back to the site and click Refresh, you'll see a nice little pictures on the bottom, which makes the site a lot better. One more thing that we would like to do is we've got the More Information button, but we wouldn't mind an Add to Cart button. If people are already looking to buy, we like to get them on with the cycle. So to do that, just go to Buttons on Cart, and then just click the button to Add to Cart, and then Save Changes. And then if you go back up to the page again and click Refresh, you'll see that the Add to Cart button is already on the site there, so that's looking great. The sidebar is still looking a little bit bare, so it'd be great if we could do something about that. So to do that, if we just go to the buttons on cart site, this is the first thing we're going to do. We want on site shopping cart. So just click that button, and then go to the widgets, and then there's plenty of widgets, some from the theme, the Woo themes, and some from the WPzon builder. We're just going to grab the on-site cart widget and stick it in the top of the sidebar and press save. Now if we go back to the site and click refresh, and we'll be able to see there's a little on-cart site thing there. So if we want to add that to the cart, and it will bring it up, you can see that they can see what they're already buying, and they click and continue shopping. And then you can see at the on the side there that it's already one item added to the cart. So if we go back to the home, and we go to say another product, any of them, and just click add to cart there as well, you can see that they're all adding up in the box, and then they can either go view their cart and change the details there, or they can check out and go straight to Amazon, where we would hopefully get a commission. So now if we just go, there's one more widget we want to pad out the sidebar with, and there's an excellent widget. We know Amazon are really good at suggesting other products. So if we take similar products and just stick that in the sidebar like that. I've already got a default ASIN number loaded up there, so if there isn't anything that Amazon can find, it will just show this product here. There are you can post on single pages, but we want it on the home page as well. You can choose a number of items and the widget title, which we've gone for the Amazon title that they use, because obviously they use it for a reason, so why not? Why wouldn't we use it? So we press save, and then just go to refresh now. We can see that the customer's also viewed as is already there. And it's really padded out our site, and our site's starting to look like a proper site now. So if we go to home and just have a look there, there's, in a very short amount of time, we've got several products up there, and things in the sidebar which will sell. Amazon's great. And if you look at the view cart, then you can see what we've got. If we change that back to 0 and continue shopping. And yeah, it's a very user-friendly site. It gets people to buy. Amazon spend absolutely millions on copywriting and finding out the best ways of getting people to buy. So by using everything that they're doing, we basically have £1 million copywriter working for our site, and that's absolutely essential. So that really helps with getting the conversions and making some money. So I hope that's helped, and see you in the next video.